Hello dear friends! To organize files in DaVinci, go to the Media tab. Select the file you want and click on the Sort menu. Then select Shots and Scene. In this section, you can enter the necessary information for each file so that you can use them when editing. There are information such as shot, scene, description, people in the clip, filming location, and many other information in this section. You can also change the color of the clip in the timeline. For example, turn all the videos that were filmed outside to yellow. If you enter information in the Keywords section, it will be added under Keywords in the Smart bin and give you quick access to files with those keywords. You can choose one of the available options or type some things yourself. For example, I type outside as keyword. As you can see, by selecting this in the Smart bin, the files that have that keyword will be displayed. You can also access some of this information in the Edit tab, Inspector, and File. You can export or import metadata information. This will help you a lot to work as a group on a project. To export metadata information, go to File, Export Metadata from, Media Pool. Then choose the location to save the file and click on Save. To import the metadata file from the File menu, click Import Metadata to and then click Media Pool. Metadata files have .csv format. Click on the file and open it. It's better to uncheck this option. And finally, click on OK. By classifying files, it's possible to easily access and manage them while editing. Another use of keywords is renaming files professionally. Select the files you want to rename and right-click on them. Click on Clip Attributes and go to the Name tab. You can rename files using metadata information. You must use variables for this. To use a variable, the percentage sign is used. First, type a percentage sign and then type the variable you want to use. For example, I want to use the variables shot and scene to name the files. Use underscore to enter multiple variables in file names. Type underscore, the percentage sign, and then type the name of the variable. At the end, click OK. As you can see, the files are named based on the information in the metadata. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.